Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I make a simple lettuce salad using the lettuce itself, avocado, tomato, onion, lemon, white vinegar, black pepper and salt. So I'm just slicing my onion like that, and I love onions in any type of salad being in strips. My onions are now ready, so I'm just placing them in a bowl, and then filling the bowl with white vinegar so that it can remove that unpleasant taste in onions. Then set it aside. Onto the lettuce, I'm now removing the unwanted part and the leaves that have withered and the ones that seem to be dirty. And now also removing the leaves that are in good condition. Let me use that word. Yeah. Washed the leaves, and now I'm just cutting the leaves into smaller pieces. And then now adding the white vinegar into the lettuce. Like, vinegar cleans vegetables so well. You should clean your vegetables nicely, especially when you buy them from the soko. You don't know where they have been placed, so vinegar is your go-to soap, vegetable soap. On to slicing the tomato. You can slice your tomato slimmer than mine, or whichever size or shape you would like. Back to my lettuce. It has now soaked and it's now okay. So I'm just going to wash it through with water to reduce the amount of vinegar in it. Then just placing the tomato inside the bowl with lettuce. I'm just being told that it is tomato, but you can pronounce it however you are taught. Tomato, whichever works for you. On to slicing the avocado. I'm just slicing the avocado into cubes as shown. By now my onions are also ready, so I'm just going to drain the vinegar and then place it inside the bowl. Then placing black pepper and salt into the bowl as desired. Then squeezing a little amount of lemon juice into the bowl. And finally just mixing all our ingredients. There you go, our simple lettuce salad. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till next time, bye.